welcome around there and drills. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe button and be sure to click that bell icon to notify upload a new video. Be to follow us on Instagram. So guys, today we're back here at Universal Orlando Resort. Today we're here for a very special night, as today we're going to attend the annual pass holder nights, which is a special event that they do here for pass holders every year. Now this event is actually, even though it's for pass holders, it's pretty hard to secure a spot. Like last year I tried to secure a spot, they were already out. Same exclusivity as like during the Mardi Gras parade. So we were very lucky to get the some spots in for UOAP nights. So yes, right? I'm sure of that. But yeah, we're gonna get overall, obviously, HHN construction updates for the week. See what has changed, see if there's any new merch, and of course check out what's available here during annual pass holder nights, which is a special event. Great, best thing is that it's for free as long as you secure a spot, and the event runs from 7 p.m. all the way up to 11 p.m. So it's a pretty nice time frame. You can check in whenever you want. And yeah, you get special perks. The park is closed just for us pass holders, and we get lower wait times, lower crowds, which is a win. Plus, obviously, you get kind of like a little sneak peek at what HHN will look like, as you know, it's nighttime, so even though nothing's gonna be turned on, no fog machine, you know, you get the feeling. But yeah, the archway, as you guys saw right now, it is pretty much work well. So hopefully they will fix this by the time that HHN starts. But yeah, you can see here, obviously the HHN archway has changed a lot. We'll check that just a few minutes, but first let's check into the event. See right here, sign for the UOAP nights. We've entered the event. Pretty easy check-in, as long as you have the pass, you know, you get entered really quick. You get the annual pass holder magnet, which is nice. You don't have to run the park finding where it is at. They'll just give it to you there, and then you get some wristbands. That way they know you're part of the event. And now changing the subject back into HHN construction updates. Since last time we were here, we did get some more theming for the archway here, as we have the ticket booth that has been installed here. And then we've got more lights at the top. You got the stages for Jack and Oddfellow. Plus, you do get here a nice truck, which I believe is the same truck from Toxic 20s last year, with a lot of Easter eggs and different props around it. And yeah, that's a pretty cool little maybe like, I don't know, or spray you something. Fog or something, yeah. Okay, well check out the sign. You wanna go that way and check out the signs? No, let's go this way. Are you sure? I'm gonna leave the signs for last. Let's leave the IP signs. Well, let's go this way. Let's check out the IP signs. Since last time we were here, obviously, we did get a surprise, and we were able to see the IP signs, signage for Evil Dead Burn and Stranger Things 5. But they installed all of them, so Hellraiser and Sinners have been installed, plus Ozzy Osbourne. And we're gonna do rides, obviously, since they're like 10 minutes, so we're obviously gonna do rides. Obviously, that's one of the main things here in the event. But let's go for seat signs, and then we'll do some rides. Okay, so right over here, we did get installed, like I said, a Hellraiser, then the Ozzy Osbourne HHN 35 sign also. So we got the HHN 35 sign with Jack clothes at the bottom. Then you get over here the Hellraiser sign with the chains popping out of the actual sign, with the box, the cube at the top, really cool. And then you've got over here the Ozzy Osbourne sign. This one is also pretty cool. You got like skulls, you got spiders, you got bats at the top. Really nice sign. And then crossing over to the other side, this one was actually installed last time we were here. It was just covered. This part was covered. So this is gonna be Sinners. So far, Hellraiser is the best one, I would say. This one looks great with the guitar. And actually, since last time we watched Evil Dead Burn, so we're excited to see the house. The movie was very
Strong,
chaotic
strong,
and very, a lot of things happened at the same time, but it's gonna be great for HHN. It's gonna fit in very perfectly. But now let's get some rides and we'll see what else we can check out at the event. And also stay tuned at the end. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, that's cool. Stay tuned for the end of the video because we have a really big announcement, something that we're gonna be doing next week that I can't wait to share with you guys. Let's do this one first. So we did our first ride of the night. Now let's keep on with the HHN updates. But as you guys can see, there are a lot of characters out around the park for you to meet, take pictures with them. I think that's the same exclusive, like discounted items. Now for this scare zone here, aside of the Cape, the past week, we haven't actually gotten a lot of updates from the scare zone. Not much really big, they just kept adding little details to it. But as far as like big props go or like noticeable details, nothing big has happened in the scare zone. Most of the updates have happened between Fort Nightmares, which will be going up next, and Downtown Clown Town. That one's gotten a lot of different updates. Oh, that's nice. The Jurassic Gyrosphere. So yeah, they got a lot of different. Just more details. Yeah, more details on it. Actually, I need to go into, they got Claire here and Owen, meaning people. Okay, so let's go into Five and Dime to get the last carousel piece ever. Oh yeah, more smaller details. But the last carousel piece, which is Art the Clown, we got that release since last weekend when over in Hollywood, they got the Terror Tram announced. So you can see the little piece on the display right here. Art the Clown. Do they have it? Don't tell me they sold out. I'll be so mad. We're searching for it. I'm searching for it. Ooh, they got more else. They also have merch. It's a new shirt. This is the new.
I like the color.
I like the color, yeah. Do they have any pieces of that? The last carousel piece? Oh, and there's also another new shirt of Hellraiser right here. It's gonna be a gray tank top with the chain. Ooh, another Evil Dead Burn shirt. They just keep dropping merch. Oh, I see the Art the Clown merch. We'll go there in a second. Okay, so yeah, you got the Evil Dead Burn merch, and then see they have anything. See the Art the Clowns over here. I don't see, but they do have Art the Clown merch. They got this nice big like bag, $65. Really cool. And then they got the headbands. And then this nice, like, I don't know if this is, it doesn't look like it's Art the Clown, like, theme, no. Like, just horror movie in general. I'm worried because I do not see the piece, the Art the Clown piece. I don't think they might have it. We're going to be here anyways next Friday, which I will talk about why we're gonna be there soon, so, yes. So hopefully by Friday they'll restock more. We'll check on the stock. If not, then by opening weekend, they have to have more. Or at least in the tribute store, which it's about a week, a little bit more from opening.
Here, definitely.
But yeah, in here, at least here. They do have it in display, but they don't have it on the other displays. So yeah, unfortunately. But keep on walking through the park. I said let's keep on checking out the other HHN updates and see what else we can see and what other characters. Oh, they brought the mermaid tail back. It's back. It was missing a few weeks ago, so nice to see it back. Now, one thing I'm actually kind of shocked about this year is I haven't seen a scare zone. Maybe they're still working on that, but I haven't seen a scare zone where there's like a lot of props covered, like it's gonna be bloody. So I don't know if it'll happen, but got the Ghostbusters meeting out here. They got Woody Woodpecker over there meeting. Dressed up in the Dracula costume. But you can tell, as I was saying, the difference between the crowds. Obviously, still, there's a few people in here, but it's nothing like a regular theme park day.
Do they have any characters there?
But they got a nice photo op. I think you do have to do a line, and they will do the sensational show for us at 9:30. So that's another cool thing to note during UOAP nights. But yeah, you see. Oh, they got that nice. That's cool. They got a nice big UOAP sign, light up sign here. Right next to Mel's. Now let's walk into Fort Nightmare, see what we got. A few updates actually, surprisingly, from Fort Nightmare. So let's showcase them and talk about them. Then they got like pop-up bars. We got the apple crepe right here at the crepes. And then for Fort Nightmares, Scare Zone, we did get this big sign and much more theming on the overall archway here for Nightmares. So yeah, we got all the tentacles. We get the grays. We got 3 scare actor triggers. So it's a few. And then we got all these different props up here around the Scare Zone right here. So we do have right here some TVs. Looks like some scare actors can hide. This looks nice right here. I feel like they're gonna go pretty simple this year with the Scare Zone, but it's still gonna be a decent Scare Zone. I'm still waiting for them to prove me wrong with the Scare Zone. Like, prove me that this is worth at HHN, because I still don't see the potential of this, but I'm trusting them. Yeah, you got gold bars around here. More boxes and crates. You know what? Something I did see. They took down the weird truss work that was right here with the electrical box. It's down. I don't know why. I don't know if they were just tricking us with something for that truss work. And then right here for like the little plaza right here, we just got the little stage has been themed, and that's basically it. And I believe they got more meet and greets up here. Oh, they got the animal actors meet and greet here. Yes, they got the dogs. They got the skunk. Oh my God, this is actually something I might wait in line. This is something that this is a nice meet and greet. But yeah, there's a really long line, but they do have the skunk out and one of the dogs. My God, it's so cute. Yeah, you do a little line and you can pet him and take pictures of him. That's pretty nice. And then over here at DreamWorks, you're gonna have the pizza fries, and E.T. is open. Back here in the park, you have more meet and greets here. Meet and greets are just everywhere in the park. I would say that's the thing that I've seen the most is like meet and greets in every single corner of the park.
You're in there?
Sure. Well, you wanna do it?
Are you going there?
Oh, the coaster is open. Is the coaster open? Okay, let's go back. Let's just do whatever. But yeah, like I said, they have a lot of meet and greets. Most of the park is open, but it's pretty nice so far. Everything that we've seen so far. Like I said, 9:30 they do the show, special screening for Passholders. And yeah, we're gonna head back, see if we can do the little coaster, the little roller coaster here. Just to, do something different we will never do during the daytime. And then we'll keep on walking towards Simpsons and check out the facade work for Invasion Alien Abduction, since I've heard that it's almost done, and I feel like they should be done very soon. So we'll check out what the construction progress for that is. But it's nice that even this area for kids during the previews, it's pretty nice. Since this obviously area is always very, very, very full. But it's nice to see this area with very much controlled crowds. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna go back here and try to do the coaster, and then we'll check out more of the HHN construction and more of what the UOAP Nights has to offer. So real quick update from the invasion alien abduction facade. And we will be getting a very closer look soon. Oh my God, look at that facade. Just look at it, like, they just built a freaking, like, barn. Let's get a, there you go, you can see the barn. We're gonna enter right there. It looks great. And let's see if we can get a better look at Hellraiser and Sinners, which I don't think so, but since it's almost dark out. No, nothing, but I did see that they did put the decal, like the vinyl sticker for Sinners, so we'll just have to wait and see if that, but I can assure you guys that we will be getting a better, closer look at Invasion Alien Abduction, the facade, HR Blood and Guts facade, and also Hellraiser facade. But more details of that will be coming soon, but they are almost basically working on that. And is that, ooh, could we be getting like a last scare at the end? Because usually in this house, you exit right there and then you come around this way, and they're just like right there. So could that be a scare actor like pop out this way for one last scare before you exit? That would be really nice if they do that. Really, really cool if they do that. But we'll get a closer look at that very soon. So we got a ride on Men in Black, and we also got a ride on Escape from Gringotts. Now that we're walking towards the New York area, I have noticed that they actually are using the lights from Club Horror here for an HHN starts, just for like a little dance party. Obviously, this is not like a major HHN update, but of course, they're kind of giving this area a sound check and a light check to make sure that it works for once Club Horror starts, which is, really, I mean, what is it missing to be Club Horror? Like what?
Is that the car they're going to use for Club Horror?
No, I don't know. But yeah, they have like a little dance party right here for Passholder night. And yeah, all the lighting is being used here, so a little sound check here. The only thing we're missing here is just some fog and like Art the Clown just partying in there, because I know that will maybe happen again this year. So we got more in Chess Alcatraz. We got some Passholders drinks. Thank you. Hey, you see? Oh my God, we got the pug button here. That's our little pug back home.
We got our own.
Yeah, we got our own Men in Black pug. So once we get home back home, we're gonna have to show her the little button. But yeah, this part of the park is pretty much, I would say, not dead, but on the slower side. Actually, Sensational is about to start. So you want to stay in this area, see if we can get it?
From this area, right?
We can see it. We won't just see the great view, but let's get in this little corner and get you a little glimpse of the show. Since we're already here, I mean, and while we're here, we can talk about Fast and Furious Supercharged. As actually, I was not thinking about, I did not notice, I did not realize that today is actually the last day of operation. On the last day of operation for Fast and Furious Supercharged. Oh yeah, we got a little quick show of Sensational here. You get to catch it. Great. Our drones. Other than no. I forgot about the drone part of the show.
So they were there for a while? Or
I
just
think they've been there for a little bit of a while.
Are
Not
you
that
sure?
not that long, but I think they might have been there for a little bit of a while.
I'm going to the stroller. You got Gunner?
If you look closer, you can see like little dots of the drone.
Oh yeah. So they're still there. They're still there.
Look, Mike, come here. Come here, Look, they're dancing. Cool. Look, they're dancing. Showing the movie in the water. Whoa!
I saw the glitter guy.
The big one.
Oh my god! What's that one?
What is that?
This drones are still there, so.
What is this?
I think that's Universal Monster. Wow.
Oh.
It's Ghostbusters.
Rose did this for himself.
No, it's Ghostbusters. It's Ghostbusters.
there he goes.
Despicable Me.
It's Harry Potter.
Whenever I heard the theme song, I was
Okay, so guys, now we're walking back. It's dark. But we do have some updates, smaller updates. I don't know if we'll be able to see them, but we do have some puppets in this little. We got some puppets in the back of We got some puppets in this, which I showcased. It looked like a puppet theater. It is a puppet theater. So we did get some puppets in there.
You have food there, but this.
They have, oh yeah, we had a football. No, actually, we can get a.
No, I think it's
I don't. But yeah, we have food booths there. Like I said, Friday we'll get a better construction update since it's like daytime. But we're doing what we can right now. But right over here, let's see if we can get better views since there's like more. I love more lighting in there. We did get, I think, more like prizes here. We did get some like games right here. We did get some games right here.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Lights.
We got cones. We'll go. Oh, you can see Jaws at the top building. We're gonna go over in just a few minutes. We're gonna get over now to the stage and check out we got an ice cream truck themed to Chance, and we also got some other props themed to like past like HHN characters. So as for example, right here we got, like it said, we got an ice cream, kind of like an ice cream truck themed to Chance, obviously. The HHN icon. Oh, we're gonna see the Jack. We're gonna see the Jack statue. I'm so excited to see the Jack statue. I haven't seen it in person yet. We got this Chance ice cream truck right here, and then we've got this amazing Jack the Clown ripped like in half statue. And this looks amazing. Like, so not that big actually. I thought it was bigger, but it's still great. This looks amazing. And then you got more smaller details here with some clothes, some barrels, and actually the lights down at the bottom are turned on. So I feel like this is kind of like a little, like I was thinking, like this is kind of like, we're gonna go this way. Well, yeah, let's zoom on me. Well, but we're gonna go over there in just a few minutes to check out. So we got props from Killer Clowns, and then we also gotta check out the stage for Art the Clown, the Christmas stage. So guys, so we've had a nice ride on the Mummy. Now here for updates from Killer Clowns from Outer Space. We have some toxic pies popping around this street. We've also got some popcorn machine here. And then over here, we've got the classic Killer Clowns cotton candy cocoons.
That's how you get cocoons, right?
Yes, they're going very classic. More toxic pies, and then some fog machines here. And then, oh, that's nice. Look what they have here. They've got artists like light painting. So it reminds me of like, oh look, he's painted, that's cool. Look, the HHN part. Do you see the HHN part? Nice. And yeah, we got the sign here.
Those free?
The free sample. Sure. And let's check out the Terrifier now stop and for one last time. And then yeah, you got some free samples here. Coke samples. Ooh, that's good. Let's go now over here. Let's go now over here to the so the food booths are light up, and they look really nice. And then let's get over to the Art the Clown stage. Now over here for the Art the Clown Christmas, Artmas, as John Murdy said. Said here, since last time we got a lot of theming. We got Santa at the top, and we've got trees that seem to be covered. I can already imagine what's gonna be in the trees. I can already imagine what's gonna be in the trees since they're covered. All the Christmas trees are covered.
Person parts.
Yeah, probably guts and stuff. And then I know right here, I did see somebody post that during the day, that back part was covered and it was a half of a lawnmower. So you can already imagine what's gonna be in this area. Art the Clown will probably be here sitting. We got the body that was already hanging here. We got, looks like another Christmas tree or something else over here. And yeah, the Santa looks really cool though. Small stage here, and then the van was officially, well, you see the Christmas tree at the bottom. It's peeking out, the little Christmas tree. But this was kind of officially linked already to HHN and to our Art the Clown, as we have more. We actually did get some theming on the side of the van, which is really nice. But everything looks about the same on the inside of the van. But yeah, that's gonna be basically the updates for HHN for today. Let's head out and we'll talk a little bit about a general review of the what we thought of the event, and of course finally talk about what we're gonna be doing next Friday, which I'm super excited to announce it. But the stage here looked really nice. So it says Santa this way, so I can already imagine the crowds in this area once HHN starts and we get to see Art the Clown on that stage doing whatever he's gonna do there. So guys, we're gonna wrap it up for tonight. It was a great event. We were able to do many rides. We were able to see a lot of characters, check out all the HHN construction overall, get a better view at the facade for Invasion Alien Abduction. It was a great overall visit, and I'm so happy that I was able to grab a spot for the UOAP nights for 2026. But yeah, like I said, great event. If able to, next year, if we are able to catch some reservations, we'll definitely be coming back. Really did like it, and especially, like I said, it's free. So if you're a pass holder, to get into consideration next year. Yeah, great night. Now, for what I was going to talk about this upcoming Friday, I am so excited to. We're gonna be able to do it. So we're gonna be going to, and we're gonna be doing in here the 3-house Unmasking the Horror tour on Friday, which is the first day you can do the Unmasking the Horror tour. So we're gonna be able to get some first looks. We're gonna be able to walk through all 3 houses, which for the 3 houses is gonna be, one of them is gonna be Hellraiser, which I'm super excited about. So we're gonna have Hellraiser as one of the houses, then HR Blood and Guts, and then Invasion Alien Abduction. So we will be walking through all those 3 houses. Unfortunately, I cannot record the whole house, as is obviously the event has not yet started by the time we're gonna be doing that. But we will be able to take some pictures of certain rooms that they will tell us that we can take pictures, and I will post those pictures. So stay tuned for our vlog from that day. So like I said, super excited to walk through those 3 houses and kind of not give you a review because obviously there are no scare actors in there, but kind of, you know, get a better look at the job, the amazing job that the teams for HHN do. But yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, be subscribe button. Be sure to click that bell icon to upload a new video. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. And remember, guys, if you can get it, you can do it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.